Oh, sorry, I was getting zen with the bees. Welcome, I'm Carl, AKA Spirit Spoon. I'm here in the beautiful Cafe Verde in Los Angeles, California with my friends licensed to distill. Today we're gonna make the Bee's Knees cocktail 3 ways. Bee's Knees is a Prohibition style cocktail, a 3-ingredient cocktail, one of my favorites. Lemon, honey, and gin. Today we're gonna be using Barr Hill Gin out of Vermont. Cool story about this is actually a beekeeper and a distiller teamed up, and it's a wonderful gin made with raw honey, very juniper forward. Enough with my rambling, because I could go on forever. Let's make the Bee's Knees. A little fancy, eh? First, you can start off with 3/4 lemon juice, 3/4 honey syrup. My preferred honey ratio is 2:1. So 2 parts honey, 1 part water. 2 ounces of Barr Hill Gin. Now the fun part, you get to shake it. Now we strain into a chilled coupe glass. Doesn't have to be a chilled glass. We just keep them refrigerated here at Cafe Verde. I don't work here, but we keep them refrigerated at Cafe Verde. Do a fine strain to get any of those ice particles out. This is Garnish. A lot of people sometimes use a lemon wheel, sometimes people use orange. I just like traditional lemon. Press that right over, get the oils out. There we go, my friends, the Bee's Knees cocktail. Cheers. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for following. All right, drink number 2, one of my favorites. So we're making a Bee's Knees with a mustard seed infused gin. This is something I do by eye, and I shake it, and usually you're gonna see a little discoloration in the gin. We're just gonna build it like a traditional Bee's Knees. 2 ounces mustard seed infused Barr Hill Gin. So, fresh mustard seeds, gin. With any infusion, I usually check in every half hour, every hour. Take your fine mesh strainer, strain it into your bottle or your mason jar, and you're ready to rock and roll. Let's get to shaking. My buddy also makes these shakers, and it happens to be, oh, well, that's weird. And see. Now we're gonna strain. Here's something fun I love to do with this one. Little side plate. Your garnish is a handful of pretzels. So it's a fun, great way to, like, because mustards and pretzels go well together. It's a really fun combo, so I love, love, love this one. You get the saltiness, you get the mustard, you get the lemon, you get the honey. Cheers. Sweet, and now we're on to number 3. This is a fun one, more advanced, so thanks for sticking along. Hope you make this one at home. First, we're going to use an egg white. What you want to do is you want to crack the egg in half and kind of make sure the yolk does not go in. So you crack it over, you switch from side to side. There you have the yolk left. Discard that or drink it like Rocky. Next, we're going to add our lemon juice. We'll do 3/4. And this is actually really fun. I did my honey syrup, but I added fresh ginger. I generally prefer, if I'm doing 4 ounces of honey, I add 2 ounces of fresh ginger. 3/4 ounce. Lastly, we're gonna use the Barr Hill Tomcat Gin, which is barrel aged in American oak. So that's gonna really hold up to that ginger and the egg white. Super excited about this cocktail. I do 2 ounces of that. We're following the same spec. We're just adding egg white and we're changing the gin up a little bit. And with egg white, what you wanna do is you wanna shake it for 30 seconds, dry, which means no ice. So I'm not adding any ice. And what this is gonna do is go froth the egg. Now, we're not gonna make you watch this whole 30 seconds, but while we cut to something else, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for following along. Whew, 30 seconds. Now we're gonna add the ice and another 30 seconds. Again, you don't have to watch. Cheers. I'm still here. I'm still shaking like I used to be. Put this in a rocks glass with a few cubes. The beautiful thing about an egg white drink is you're gonna watch it change as it settles. Lastly, we're gonna garnish this. I love a little edible flower. I think it's perfect, looks beautiful. And there we have it. Fun little bee's knees with a ginger honey, egg white, and the Barr Hill Tomcat barrel-aged gin. Cheers. They used to call me the Elton John of Vermont. I don't know what that means, but that might be the funniest thing I said all day.